Alright guys, still in Pennsylvania, still ain't able to take the car out. It's cold. It's right after that cold storm, whatever. It was like -10 this morning, and I think it's like 4 or 5 right now. I'm gonna try to uncover this, or at least get the snow off of it, and see if we can do a cold start. That's about all I got. So we won't be able to get it back up the hill if we take it out. We got a little bit, it's a little bit of snow, but it's been here for a week or so now. Trying to keep it protected as best I can. We'll see if we can get like a temporary carport, something or another we can put up here. Just, it's a shame covering this thing up. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can't scrape it off some more, and let's see what we got. Alright guys, I got her brushed off, so now I want to open it up, and I probably won't uncover it because that was just a pain in the butt. But yeah, we'll open it up, make sure the inside looks fine, and we'll probably just rake up the back end for the exhaust will clear, and we'll give her a cold start. I'll get back to you. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but see if we can. I love opening it up and it's just still seeing good and clean. Let's see here. Oh, another thing I had a dash cam up there. Had this thing trickle charging. The next thing you know, we had a bad windstorm. I got my moisture wick stuff right there, just to make sure we keep the mold out of it. But yeah, and we had a windstorm, so I thought it knocked off my trickle charger, and I didn't pay attention for it. Whatever. I got back from TDY and plugged it back in. Everything was good. It was charging. The next thing you know, my phone's going off saying, hey, battery's not charging, deader and crap or whatever. And so finally I got back and opened it up and started it up. Battery's fine. Everything was connected. I didn't understand it. So I was going to move the dash cam anyway to different vehicle just to have, say I'm not driving this. And I grabbed that thing, it was all melted. I'll see if I can post in pictures, but we could have lost the damn car. And that was a scary thought. So be careful. I got that off of Amazon, right? I mean, it served its purpose for that one side swipe thing we had, but I mean, don't leave it in your damn car constantly on, especially that parking mode. That's the scary part. We could have lost the car. There was no smell, but there's just the way it was all melted up and deformed and whatnot. So that's an FYI for you guys. So watch out for that. Alright, so I'll see if we can pop up this top back here. Where are you? Right there. There we go. One. Let's see if we can do the other one. There it is. There we go. A little bit of frost. Hey. Hey. Oh, I miss Arizona. Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, we're not going to uncover it. It's just going to be a pain in the butt getting it all backed up. That's straps and everything. So let me unplug the turn off the old trickle charger. There we go. Hey. Alright. Alright, hopefully I got the music up or whatever. Let's see what we got. See if it connects to the damn thing. Alright. We did get some fuel in it, so it's got freshest fuel. There we go. Alright, we'll turn that on. Alright. I closed the door, but we gotta watch out for this window here. Done that once. That flap gets stuck in that window, and then I don't want to break my glass and everything. So, alright, let's see if we can get good position for y'all. Alright. Get right up here. I was about 6 foot away, squatting down a little bit. Alright, you guys ready? I guess I ain't gonna do it with the door open. Alright, hold on. See if we can do this. Now that I'm aware of it. Oh, stupid zipper. Ah! Alright, there we go. Alright, let's try this again. I had to go in a couple of times. I couldn't feel my hands. Alright. 6 foot away-ish. Squatting down. Here we go. She hadn't been started for a couple of weeks. Like I said, we did take her out. It was just rainy and it was like 40 degrees or something like that. So we'll get some good clean fuel over it. In it. I gotta take you for an oil change here soon, but that explains the mud on the tires. That sucked. I really don't want none of the salt up here, chemical they put down the roads on it, you know. So she's gonna be parked here for summer, I guess, if they even get a summer here. I'm not sure. This is my third tour in Pennsylvania, so hopefully hopefully the summer comes pretty quick and I can take it out on a weekend. Have some fun with it. If not, I'm probably going to ship it back home. And I get to enjoy it when I'm home, I guess. Ah, I miss that. I miss that a lot. But I can't, guys. Not my car. I'm so proud of it. I'd rather not take it out, screw it up long term. I miss my car. All right, y'all. Y'all be safe out there. Stay warm. You guys in Phoenix, I envy you guys. Arizona. Yeah, be careful out there. Hopefully I get to post again, and probably going to be another cold start. I hate to say it, but maybe we'll get to take it out. We'll see.